saying they want to abandon. But I mean, on the mark of time, all MP we share what to abandon. And Mamuku drew on me with the why you won't be buried what to abandon. Our county, no county, the majority of the people, Nangasa delegates will choose Honorable Agyapong as their flag bearer.
But yeah, in comes to be about so friend then. Walk out to one my way and walk one chair. I'm not
bear quanchen, where you want to quanchen.
But before the hour can a day, no, Uncle Ken or walk quite should be or do you about.
I didn't really see you never contribute neighbor bay.
Into again on
your campaign, Uncle any campaign.
I will tell you, suppose one of your campaign on a down falla at the day.
Under falla will navy. But although all your campaign now, maybe seen a young doors.
And to also for Mrs. Order record, no way. Honorable coming to map sounded
ladies and there on what basis in our kind will be aware the person is hurt. We don't prophesy out of the place of hate. We don't prophesy out of the place of choice. We don't prophesy because we paying us and we paying us and we prophesy because the Lord have said it. It also be organized to come up. Nyame ya aduma na 31st January 10 years from now
they be there
until yenya betam nhwe no be say nto bia betum nyame na menenam wa abo memo nipa koro nyame ya aduma obaba ye president a obo sworn in on the 7th of January 2029.
Abusia, with regards to Nkomsha Bano, Abusia say 31st January 2026 edu na NPP4 Echo Demo Primaries ne kwahwehwe so wo moto abane kenkan wie na say Honorable Kenakum Prekun Agyapong entimi endim kunim amba meye flag bearer amfama NPP ama wani party nanim kan anko 2028 general election mu de Abusia make bibia say asofo obeto mo asori dem wo Ghana ha no na edoso ye party titru ene Prophet Bernard Abusia say ne foi ahye nkom edema Honorable Kenakum Prekun Agyapong na wo hye nkom wie no anso ho anenti a suggestion no kose say 31st do na Honorable amfa wo mo beto na sorry dem no Prophet Bernard eka ho bi ne say abusunya wo hye nkom edema Honorable Kenakum Prekun Agyapong ewie ye no ntena ase ene wo free ha wachina no akopie mu Adom FM adechi no akopie mu ana tese ne interviews no or grant interviews ne sa wo tro mu books chire ma breni nyina chire kwan a Honorable Kenakum Prekun fa so na wadi nkunim a wo kire se nkunim bia ne kwa de abawie deda ite no Honorable Papa anka wonna 31st ne duru ho na nya ne se woda ne dem no bete se yabo de din se wono na awi na busuame ne ka say Prophet Bernard akwa kopie mu ewo Aluta FM ya woni fifi prat akwa grant interview na nyinya efa Honorable Kenakum Prekun Agyapong ne nkomsha wahye edema no busia woni fifi prat enkomo twetwe ni mu no na wode response akọ edema Prophet Nigel Gazi ye nyina nim se Prophet su kopie so anase okopie show do so bia no so se Honorable esan enema ba ku bia waye de atia ninti no se wo se oye politician no so be kire ne se oye D4 31st January no wo be kire ne bibiki tu abi wo delegate na wo mkwakoto abanuma mane hu se ampanya metumi eso eno na Prophet Bernard ne komo twetwe a woni fifi part twetwe ye no wo kire se enkomhye no enye eya wo mu ne de hye nkom enye minimo bi ne de hye nkom enye atenka ene de hye nkom ye hye nkom fi se nyame na aka na busua ne nsem a wo kan na Ghana for se ene nsem yi de eye response de ma Prophet Nigel Gaze afei sofukusi apia ene wo mu aka wo mo pim ne kutie nyina no odomu nyina response ama wo mu na ye bekwa kutie nsem no ne aba na me kai wo se eye too much gh na woni guso a wo hwe mesra wo se obemi ya subscribers no say aka so de be on be count say na be na upload ni tumse woni first person ya wo say be dika kabusia me enkotie ensam no say ne odi nchimu e ba ye obra woni fifi prat edidi nkomo e wo Aluta FM so na ye ba e be de chinko
anyina wa ne call you can debate with me about what I see but that is the truth. What is behind me I can't see it, so when you speak your truth that is your own truth. The independent truth, you're the truth of the scripture, you're the truth of revelation. Into obi kane nokora, I don't want to challenge obi nokora. Monye no nti ebe fandama. Yeba fane damara Bernard no say ole yem fane damara odu honoma ono odinile mu or focus or roko odi the Bible awujizo anjenzo on fano ho bo obedika obaba beka what the puppet done. Nice one or the zin
Wow, brother penyin na wo sofo penyin na wonyina wo top shutter. My friend Mensa Otable. Dr. Mensa Otable. Of the obeye video buta abano there. Ya popita ye ginger no shiale nyase.
Manya
video na.
Mehu pa.
Okay.
Na me feel that yes ka Dr. Mensa Otable or ye anyina ye papa. Na manya Mensa wasmam da member is not to be giving commentary on what people have said. And I think they be see higher.
But oye sofo pon enyine ya adwena.
Ma mechenye there I'm a ministry no today I'm now yerbobo. Yerbobo ni major board na me my commentary. I can't comment on what Dr. Mensa Otable have said.
But botu me ja wo friend whatever it is that mat Mr. Be sofo na mat botu ba ka hey papa aka asem no kwara na aka.
And to make sure that say a baby some question na say I'm fair individual may answer, but as long as it has to do with fathers, I feel that I should just move away from it and just settle in the John the Baptist. No reason or being there or prepare the way of the Lord. Or shall I say they could rebuke your kings now? I want to stay in my calling.
Puppet no what's done?
Because I shall say Dr. Mensa Otable and me pede yeboko yenini.
Be answer the I'm gonna make a bibia rechede waka kafada I aso fara maybe I will be a better the so chia waka also on the wood waka to wajatu and whatever it is no odi bibia ka o but no na enkom shabo
Come share papa.
Enkom shaba papa
Ibi mfinyame.
Ya beka nyankopon ezen. Ya beka nyankopon ezen first. Aba hihye nkobu pii jeno. Pii jena chede oyi dede wo aba no papa me sure that wankasa ehubi. Wala akekade na dabanyama na aze na ma am the 2 days or 3 days ago cry meeting wale influence no krana no ya show kra ma tumi kafa to be from different camp to another camp na whatever it is ma or dingina record kama na yan starting fee na toshi
okay
asha ngom
nyame wo ma kan sempi afa nyipa pi won
nti na message na toshi
ma kan sempi I mean, I deal with politicians, I deal with all kinds of people, so I've spoken to a lot of people what the Lord has told me, and that's all.
Na toshi neze no obande osidan
Atefi na toshi na no de wabeka de ma ka bibia ntono se na toshi beka bibia na maso ma beka
ba ashe nkoma
ma mechende se enti mfina no na nkofo na wokka se na toshi beka bibia muso meka bibi
eti yan fane de wona wo sora wo ye de elbeda na ashe na toshi nkom yan kada oyakohisa
dabi they should hold on to that
into that ashe nkom
ma mechende na toshi beka bibia maso meka bibi
there is how na say dabi now we should hold on
and na me so in them me you be me peda me force my opinion on people
they be make a force on them
na me chet I don't want you in them say me to them na to share beka de na day a ebu nde maso meka day na day
one na ashe nkom wo wondo
ma hye nkom afa nipa pi won
or your politicians
businessmen people in society I want to win you ma hye nkom afa nipa pi won
okay obi beka de a politician
amia
bejatum
I am a prophet
in a politician
I can't be a politician
okay it's a prophet nyama na wo prophesy na manyako
manya me beka kire me bia empe but nyame kada me nka meka
okay
I will broadcaster you with me obi aka kire de Jeremiah na ndosi na beka kire de nti onem da mission come to me a politician
ba yan kofo ka kire de Jeremiah
mentimpo ekempo minti
ba offer wasum
minti
okay
because I protect what I hear.
Okay.
I'm very focused and concentrated on my assignment.
Ebazi na ehu wo honorable Colonel.
na sa wala me betina baby corona na ewo no Emma me catch your day ego bi si wo and that was after the 7 December election in December me catch your me de ego bi si wo na ego no watch your president wo do
ba mbozi
e wa na mu de papa bi aba betina do na papa na betina do no o tina do an sorry no sorry an okuso ego no oye mensa let another atebin now me din ye AK na me catch obosum pepepe no on the other side na insert subo obosum na me catch the insert bosum no na j subo obosum wo j bosum wi no na me catch the h abadi subo obosum na me catch the BO was standing behind watching the 3 people who have held the chairs here, and I said me there AB was being called to come no she children into mama kana
but you know, you kiss me, everybody.
Kiss na my church me na say long time ago. AK ni honorable Kennedy Japan. Onu na AK
honorable Kennedy Japan. But why not K?
And so na me more code. Nti mama code me big code na church this year. Nti on your honorable Kennedy Japan.
Okay.
Nti onu na the delegate or NPP mu wa to Abama there. Undu nanu 2028 other ballot paper no
was spiritual.
As that you see the realms okay my memo was in saying they want to Abano but I mean on mark or time all MP we share world to Abano and Mamuku drew no me would why you won't be bearing what to Abano our county no county no majority of the people nangasa delegates we choose honorable Kennedy Japan as their flag bearer into honor and make it on
it I want to make people find out was spiritual.
Make sure that or your physical thing and mad in this action.
Physical.
Injury and made one and was bend them make actual.
It is not that what on physical no
on year the what we bought to physically. But baby at 31st January now I will endure on Marco Waba. Into Moko Bell physical no what to aban on a marker. Okay. In there, Ibinum Warochan Ochina. Ibinum so when your opportunity there we will move our channel by
no need to move on physical
say you were higher no so me chawa so you were higher no obi anyi wo otum aboab me call make a chona and all of us are here but you put me as a camera ko pada obi botu me twumo ko do pad na chen wa ye be kan wa ha inti mo ba bokodum no on the matron infuni me za kire no
okay no nyaza obesesa so asa hotu
ejumi my year since 1999 na me no nsempi wa bem ma fa nzemepi mu inti me make sure that say mu waze and especially at this stage of my life and my ministry no waza but then we make sure that as in me on your day until I say nyame adoma and if this is done unless we go ma and we ma make sure that NPP delegates no okwa to about the first no I mean ma ko be go to about no wa to about na ewie and honorable Kennedy Japan since order 2028 all your ballot paper da what be able choose na yashin about the president.
Okay, I think that the whole video be watch up with them man. You should numbers be either 88.
Yeah, me say 88.
On the ebo was show be crowd watch up with them. Next on the honorable Ken.
On mambo 88.
That's 18 na 18.
No make sure zakake. Make sure most of the me vision recently. Na vision na me no. Me mo there you won't far. We feel marginalized. Then go far, we feel that Baba is in Amon. Then go feel that Nankamawaya and Mother Wayamon, one yamon. Then go far, we feel there. I mean, this is how life will be. And they were on my right hand side. And I saw another group of people who were satisfied with life. They were partying, they were living large, and things were okay. Then I saw a man appeared. And when the man appeared, he lifted those who have been marginalized, those who thought that nothing good would come up from their life, and he lifted them up. And he gave them hope, and he gave them power for them to do what they could do. And they started working, and they were excited. And those on my left hand side who were partying and they felt life was going good for them, he lifted them up. And when he lifted these two group of people up, they came together and they lifted him up. And the Lord said, that is how Honorable Ken Agyapong had already, with the young people, with the average Ghanaian, and then with those who matter, from members of parliament to MCs to party officials, they will come together and they will make him their flag bearer. Nyame Aduma 2026.
Namu come say me sure the wafewa.
Amia. Me shanko Musa be from. Amanga say from ban sheba won say renkam. Since the last time we share, how many times we akasa?
Oh, over a year.
Over a year. Into me you be a me shanko Musa be from. I don't belong to that group.
Okay.
I mean, Mammy Shanko, not from my then.
But yeah, in comes to be about now, so a friend then walk out to one my way and walk one chair. And I'm a bear quanchen, where you want to quanchen. But before the hour can a day, no, Uncle Ken or walk quite should be or do your mouth. I didn't really see you never contribute neighbor bay. Into again over on any campaign, Uncle any campaign. Uncle any campaign. I will tell you suppose one of your campaign and a down falla and the D. Under falla we navy, but although all your campaign now, no business you do we see. And to not today, I was in a campaign. Baby, why you will say all of them say be saying sana. Mabo from the time of conception, couple the 9 months no bow. Nti the enyin sentien zizi enke the enyin sentien hospital more days will be a we na account at the end of the day also go deliver obi bet no be work there so honorable Ken wan campaign you na so turn not sure that your fault baby that one make sure the man make us you will never see in any of my videos where I say if I don't belong to that realm. You see, God is not confused. God speaks with certainty. And therefore, anytime you see anybody speaking without being certain, well, there are so many things involved. Make sure the delegates know what to number. Make sure whoever MP before NDC or many time to make actually I'll vote me. I don't have that time. I'm too big for it. You get back and ensure there are so food in our house who there. Yes, honorable Ken or that accident or down them. No, say I said you could go to my car. Some will be watching different. Go to my car today. Give me the bottle of water. Someone will here drink the bottle of water. I didn't have anything. But amongst them, make sure that physically, let's go to my car. Give me the bottle of water. I know we should today drink the bottle of water. And so, prophecies they ought to use a bit confusing. Prophecies are not confusing. So, because our academy day, you say any gym home family. But also for this is all the record. No way. Honorable coming to me, somebody there on what basis in our Canada will be aware the person is hurt. We don't prophesy out of the place of hate. We don't prophesy out of the place of choice. We don't prophesy because we paying us some. We prophesy because the Lord have said it. It also be okay is biara no obi atumi come up nyame ya aduma na 31st January 10 years from now baby da until you nya boto na nhwe no be say nto bi abotum aka mama eberi ya da nyame ase ona obi kokotena wontumi FM okay there onu prophet Kusibo aten na prophet Aziganto they have their come into enye benyi a nto bi aka nesi bia mbori anka nesi enke Jesus Christ the yema asini nyina on film boma nti me nyina film other camp about this is here we make sure there better who also were pretty was in Kunim, a bottle Babona.
I mean, me time mobile letter. The last election, MPB from the Prophet, CCRA, as he most or Queen as a book, let me send there, Eluso.
A catch on the street.
Elus. Into a baby do travel, but very few
the catch it.
A feed there. I bet in the Muslimia Cassan America. Who's the mobile letter?
Wow.
I don't have that time. Into every other camp, behind I want to women. I want to was morning Juma was be Juma. I want to take decision based on Yami Aduma 31st January 2026. That decision will be made.
Also for other shall come no other party, but not the child. Oh, this be the after to be wasn't a 1 to 1 to be by another in 10. And damn so for so to ma. What was it?
On many mention.
The bottom of Agyapong 10.
Some many most often the base of Agyapong to on Yame from me, want to honor Yame on no bottom.
Uncle Ken winner, it will be about warfare 2028.
Nyame I send P in the Mamacho book after NPP for one election. It's called Prophetic Conversations about the New Patriotic Party flag bearership.
Okay.
And to only concentrate on NPP Mobesi. Now, Matro Crosso Prophetic Conversations about the NDC flag bearership.
Okay.
Into the reason I mean release NDC influence in them if you there His Excellency Oba Moncherry, and it will be out of immaturity and lack of wisdom there. Washa Benasi and Rebecca Nipakuro Oba succeed His Excellency. Until after I've established this, there is the third book, Prophetic Conversations about the 2028 elections. Until from where I sit now. Wabwa Memu Nipakura Nyami Aduma Oba president I was sworn in on the 7th of January 2029. Na Nyami Memu Nipakura Bonu so Nipakura Oba
NDC flag bearer.
NDC make it Boko president of Ghana. NDC flag bearer on Maka
on
Nipakura time go make achiro.
On Akadawa.
No, a mature book I found that maybe the same time or book
Tintin Titia
or book
Benjamin Amazing
or Mamma's in a book mature
more point today respect here president
just because me sure the I'm sure that it's right. It is His Excellency all your crews nese NDC Finangasa was about out today. The date no go cool all one flag bearer. I release the book the same time they say that they're going to have their congress or whatever. I'll release the book.
I will say our Prophet El Bernard and then some no and our day at Jana. So when you can one me yadwene say 31st December no edru. That's an honorable end to me and far. Woman better sorry them Ghana and Prophet Bernard El Bernard will come one abusia so come one my who comment section ho. Now feel all the social media handles no so too much GA. Oh subscribe no like no share na afofo so any be within at the dark gold essential.